Welcome everyone. Today we will talk about the life and achievements of Ray Dalio, one of the world's top investors. With a career spanning over 40 years, Dalio has left a significant impact on the investment world and the economy in general. In this video, we will explore his life, his exploits and his teachings, and how he has become an influential figure in the financial industry. Ray Dalio was born in New York in 1949 and grew up in a working-class neighborhood on Long Island. From a young age, he showed a keen interest in economics and finance, and began investing in the stock market at an early age. After graduating from high school, he attended Long Island University, where he earned a degree in finance. After graduating, Dalio began his career in the financial industry as a stockbroker. During the early years of his career, he worked hard to develop his skills and knowledge of finance and investments. In 1975, he founded Bridgewater Associates, an investment management firm that has become one of the largest and most successful in the world. During his career, Ray Dalio has achieved many important milestones in the investment world. He has been recognized as one of the world's top investors and has helped guide Bridgewater Associates to success and innovation in the industry. In addition, he has written several books and given many talks on his investment approaches and life philosophy, including his principle of radical transparency. In addition to his achievements in the investment world, Ray Dalio is known for his teachings and life philosophy. He believes in the importance of being transparent and honest in all areas of life, and has applied this principle to his career and his business. He also believes in the importance of learning from mistakes and feedback, and has created an environment in his company that encourages experimentation and continuous learning. There is no doubt that Ray Dalio is an influential figure in the world not only of investments but in general. His advice at the macroeconomic level is always listened to with great attention. He influences many decisions taken by some governments. And what do you think about Dalio's life story and the journey he has had? Do you think he will continue to beat the market? We will read you in the comments. Thank you very much to everyone for always watching us. Oh, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Until next time.